Well, hello Mercedes lovers. Look, hey, it's actor Derek D bringing you another Mercedes video, and today we're going to deal with the turbo intake tube. On this 2012 Mercedes C-Class, this can be a very expensive repair if you think you have to replace the whole turbo tube, which is made out of plastic. So let's save some money again. Let's get right to it. Here we go, 2012 C-Class. Let's take a look and see what we're working with. Now, as you can see right here, this tubing that goes all along there, where there's a pipe right here that it gets old and frayed and can break off. I'm going to show you in a second. Turbo piping right here is made of plastic. And normally when it breaks off here, people think you have to buy the whole thing, which is somewhere around $400. But be honest, if you look down there, you can see the hole here, and this little pipe, it goes down there, and this is how it basically had fit on originally. So as you can see, this little hole right here is dry rotted, and actually it's replaceable, but not through Mercedes. You can get them online, and they run anywhere between $15 to $25. Now the one I got is a replacement, which I like. This one right here already comes with the clamps. Now this thing is a little bit longer than it should be, so I had to actually do some cutting on it to shorten it. Even after I shorten it, you can see here that it's much longer than the original pipe. So let's get this thing attached and see how she works. Now look, my suggestion before you get started, because you're going to have to put a little bit of cut on this thing, is that you try to see how it fits, because if you get the pipe that comes with the clamps, it's tight down there, so you want to make sure that clamp is turned to a position where you can easily slide it over the holes for secure fitting. Now, I prefer the other type clamp, but on this particular model, it's real tight down there, so this may be the best clamp. So let's get to work and see how this is going to do. So as you can see, just on a trial deal, it'll fit down somewhere like that, and then fit right over that deal, just like that. Alright, so let's get her on and see how she works. Well, I can tell you one thing, nothing is easy when you're working on cars, and I can tell you this is some tight fit, so gotta put a little elbow grease in it to get this thing on. I think that did it. Actually work with this clamp down here. Alright. There you go. Well, I tell you what, that was a more job than I thought. Now just stick that on like so. Good tight fit. Take your pliers, clamp her down, and pliers on there, just slide her down like so, and she's done. Well, she's actually purring like a kitten. I do not hear that miss anymore. So if you got a little miss, or you think your car is taking on some air, that'll be the first place I'd look. is the turbo inlet hose. And instead of spending $400 at Mercedes, you could get that thing online with the clamps for less than $25. And so, hey, another repair for Actor D. Look, hit like and subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos on how to fix things in the future. Goodbye.